What's up, guys? Carl's on his way over. He's bringing over his RCF. He bought an LC500 replica wing, which is I think it's made for RC350 or 300 because it's meant to be drilled into the trunk. But in this scenario for RCF, we're gonna drill into the active wing. Luckily, he's got an old faded wing that if we ruin it, it's not really the end of the world. And I don't think we'll ruin it. We'll be fine. I'm just saying it could be ruined if you did it wrong. But we're gonna measure twice, cut once, or drill once, and yeah. So you should be here shortly. I gotta run to the store real quick, and then we'll post the video.
Missed you, Max.
Fucking experts.
Yeah, he made me confused. You can clearly tell that's a native.
There is times where you confuse. There was a kid that was working for my buddy Sarok's shop that this whole time I was like, he dyed his hair and I thought he was like, I don't know, Filipino or something. Yeah, like and then I remember he was saying he was going to the res, and I'm like, the res? He's like, yeah, I'm Navajo. I'm like, God damn it.
Yeah, dude, I'm telling you, some of them look Asian.
Yeah, well, like, dude, he was like, he loved anime. He was like, he played the part. He was like, hey, dude, that's racist. I didn't say that.
First of all, dude,
all right, wait. We're figuring out Carl's super high quality wing from, where is it from?
Poo Designs.
Poo Designs. Yeah. All right, so we figured out our center here. It's like 2 feet off of each side.
God, I saw a lot of black people on the way.
We're gonna, bro.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot you're filming something.
All right, so here's our center here. So I'm just gonna put some tape when it's centered here so that we can make some rough estimate of where we're gonna drill the holes. And then we'll get started. Bolt this bitch in. All right, so we're gonna use some Q-tips to figure out our placement, put some paint on them. And we made some marks where we're centered at. All right, so success. We got some marks. What are you doing? All right, go ahead. It just slams down, dude. It fucking slams. Maybe because it's the wings weighing it down.
Oh, probably, yeah.
Yeah, no, don't activate it because it's, oh no, it's back up. So it didn't go down.
I just turned it off.
Bring it back down because it's up.
All right, hold on.
There we go. All right, now leave it and don't ever touch it.
Yeah, I just turned it off.
Yeah, this angle's already pretty aggressive, so I wouldn't activate it.
Okay, I think it's gonna stay down now. Hopefully.
It looks good, dude. It doesn't look bad. Looks better than with the OEM wing.
Does it? Yeah, it looks a little bit more aggressive. So now I need the lip kit then. What?
Mister, I'll never do a lip kit on this car. I just want it to be fast.
Well, now it's not fast. It's slow.
You need some spats. Now it's looking kind of weird without side skirts. Damn, bro, you got the front fucking fangs with no lip kit, doing everything backwards. This dude's working from the top down.
I usually start from the top down, if you know what I'm saying. You know, like some people like to stick it in. I like a little foreplay.
Jesus. Carl with his baby wing. Cho, that doesn't look bad. Not bad, dude. It's a little baby version. All right, man.
Wait. Did you? Oh, I want to take a picture of this. Huh? I want to take a picture.
Oh, okay. All right, guys, Carl is gone, and man, I gotta say that wing looks pretty close to what my wing looks like. It's a little different because obviously the mounting points are in the center. I would love to say that it's affordable, but he paid, I think, close to 800 bucks for it. So now I can't make fun of him for having a goofy looking rear wing with my old Louvers on there, and cars coming together. So the funny thing is it's only a matter of time before he gets a lip kit. The one thing he said he would never do for that car. So that's the way it goes with these cars. So thanks for watching, guys. Drop a comment. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. We got a lot of good things coming. I'm gonna be data logging this soon on 10 plus PSI. The car's officially maxed out on E85. I don't know that I can push it any further. So as soon as it's dialed in, we're gonna get her dynoed.